One thing we see often when people start comparing solar quotes is that the survey stage can sometimes be skipped. The survey is probably one of the most important things that happens before you have solar installed, because Google Earth or satellite imagery does not give you the full picture. It doesn't show if you have windows in your roof, if there's trees going to cause shading. It doesn't discuss where equipment can go. So ultimately what happens on the day of your installation, the installers will question where equipment's going. They will not know, they might not have the right equipment, and it just creates so much additional stress which doesn't have to happen. Here at Devon Renewables, we make sure every single property that we install on has had a site survey. We can check the condition of your roof. We can measure, make sure that what we're proposing is actually going to fit on your roof and that you know exactly where equipment's going to go and how it will look. We can even show you the monitoring app so you can see exactly how you can monitor how the system's doing. That is the Devon Renewables difference. If a company is trying to sell you a system without wanting to do a site survey, avoid.